It is here. Shibaswap is now live, and there are already services making themselves available through Shibaswap. We're going to go through what is currently available in Shibaswap and also what services have made themselves available through Shibaswap. And there is a big one because you can have access to major online outlets such as Amazon, Walmart, and eBay using crypto. We'll be giving away $100 to a random subscriber to kickstart their crypto journey. To enter this giveaway, simply like and subscribe and comment your favorite crypto in the comments below. So the long-awaited Shibaswap is now live. With the current services available on the website as of the recording of this video, we have Dig, Fetch, Berry, Swap, and Wolf. So for many people, there are two things and one big thing you need to know with regards to Shibaswap. So the first one here is Dig, which is adding liquidity to the pool. So to explain what this service means and why it's important, I'm going to have to use a quick example. So let's say someone wants to buy Shiba Inu coins from you and they give you Ethereum coins in exchange. And when people buy Ethereum coins from you with Shiba Inu coins, you receive Shiba Inu coins. Basically, you're always accepting the trade because you're providing liquidity. You gain a small amount of fees of every trade and according to your share of the pool. So in a way, you're sort of playing as a middleman with liquidity. And the more liquidity you provide, the more you make. It's sort of like a passive income for you. The next thing up the list is Berry. Berry is Shiba's version of staking. In a nutshell, it's like a permanent lottery that happens at certain intervals. At each interval, the system randomly selects someone to validate the next block. And the chance of this happening is proportionate to the amount of coins staked. Well, why would you want to do this? For each crypto, the answer varies, but long story short, you get a reward for bearing or staking in Shiba Inu. And you can learn more about this on the Berry page on the Shiba Inu Shibaswap website. And the biggest for last, Shibaswap. Shibaswap is one of the bigger things in the Shiba Inu pipeline for a while, and essentially it's just an exchange. Shiba Inu's own exchange. It allows you to trade Shiba Inu coins with other members, also as well as trading Shiba Inu coins with other cryptocurrencies. So right now there is a large list of coins you can swap. We have ETH, Ethereum as one of the common bases, as well as DAI, USDT, and so on. And we can see that the list of cryptocurrencies that you can switch to, swap to, is phenomenal. It's insane. This is very big for Shiba Inu because the ability to switch your cryptocurrency to other currencies will open new doors for a lot of new investors. And just as Shibaswap was launched, we have Shopping.io. Shopping.io is very excited to announce that starting today, SHIB holders will be able to spend their tokens on Shopping.io platform and purchase on Amazon, eBay, and Walmart. This is big. Essentially, Shopping.io is accepting and allowing SHIB holders to buy from outlets such as Amazon, Walmart, and eBay using crypto. This lets customers pay for all sorts of different products using SHIB as a legitimate currency. There is even more utility for SHIB. Great timing, dropping this the same day as the Shibaswap. It is good to see consolidating at this particular level because when you consolidate around a particular significant resistance level, you're posturing yourself for a clean breakout. And as we're currently seeing here live, we're already seeing the price moving quite rapidly. So we have the MACD turning in a very positive direction as well. We see divergence happening on the MACD. And we see the stochastic being looking quite strong here as well. We also see two buy signals printed on our Bollinger Band indicator. We see that the price is already moving above the previous resistance level and is now looking to break the Bollinger Bands, which is a great sign. It is now looking to approach the resistance level made by the previous high. I feel like it can potentially get there pretty soon, pretty shortly. You guys can find all of our trading indicators for TradingView in the description box below. These mentioned events and catalysts are a huge sign of progress. How far will this good news carry SHIB? What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments below. SHIB is about to break the Bollinger Band. I'm gonna have to jump back into trading. As always, thank you guys for watching and take care. We'll catch you guys next time.